Backed by popular demand, we are in Amherst, Massachusetts at, you guessed it, High Street. Today is December 28th, 2020. Did I just say December? January 28th, 2021. Get it together. And here we are. We do have a train sitting down there, so we are going to get a train here, yeah. So here are the signals made by SafeTran. Here's the bungalow. Not the bungalow, the ID card. We have those lights. Made by SafeTran, a bit dirty. And we have lights facing up here because we have a pretty sizable hill that the cars and trucks have to go up. So there's a track view looking south towards Amherst's Main Street. You guys have seen a bunch of videos there. The train's just over there. Here's the back side of the signal. Here's the base, which is from SafeTran. And a WRRS mechanical bell. A bit weathered. Let's check out the other signal. There's the relay case. Got to make this quick. That train's going to come soon. Here it is. And that one's got a WRRS base. An overview from this side. Wouldn't you want to live there? There's a track view north, looking towards North Whitney Street. I'll get a video there too at some point. There's the, oh, no, sorry. There's the Rusty Bell there. And sorry if there's anything else I forgot. I gotta do this quick. There's a wide view, and the reason those lights are on the top are because when you come up and over that hill, the crossing comes quick. So I'm going to get into position and we're going to film the train.